Well guys, today's upload was supposed to be a very fun video revealing the new vehicle that I'm in the back of right now. But unfortunately, things have taken a terrible turn and we have a very sad, unfortunate video to share with you guys. The title is not clickbait, it's the end of the line for our beloved Ferrari FF. Granted, we haven't seen the car yet. This all just happened. We're racing up to Northern Arizona to go look at it. The tow yard where the car is at right now said we're welcome to come on by, take videos if we want. But honestly, we have no clue what we're going into. They just said firefighters eventually got to the car, put the fire out, and that the car is obviously not drivable. They had to tow it to the yard. So who knows, maybe it was a small little fire that was slowly moving and the firefighters got there in time to put it out and it's gonna be rebuildable. Maybe, that's best case scenario. Worst case scenario is it's a pile of ash. That would be really sad. We don't even know where the fire started, if it was at the front, back, side, interior, undercarriage, wheels, brakes. We don't know. Most fires start from the front. And don't worry, we're gonna explain the full story of who was driving, how this happened, and what's gonna happen next. Because obviously, Christian and I are in the car to go see the car, so we weren't driving. It's a long, juicy story. Stay tuned. Christian, how you feeling up there? I know we just picked up this new vehicle that we're in. Reveal video coming soon.
This thing is pretty sweet. I was thinking about dragging up the trailer up here, but we should probably just take assessment of the car first, see how it is. I was about to say we're almost pulling up to the Copart yard here, but this is not the Copart yard. This is a tow yard.
Probably behind those gates. Oh man, I'm nervous. Okay, there's a yard. I don't see it. Okay, there's the tow guy. He said, call me up, I'll let you through the gate. Oh man, I'm not looking forward to this. This has never happened. We've never had a car catch on fire. Here we go, guys. My heart's racing and not for a good reason. Oh no, there it is.
I was gonna say I didn't see a bright red Ferrari.
That's because it's now a dark black Ferrari. Oh my goodness.
Unrecognizable.
Can't make this up. Without further ado, the current status of our once beautiful Ferrari FF.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
This hurts. I think I'm about to shed a tear. This is, I can't believe it. Here we were trying to be optimistic. No, of course, like I said, we have no idea how this started. Literally no clue right now. This just happened. Who knows if the driver hit something in the road, put a hole in the block or transmission and it pissed out a bunch of fluid and ignited. Who knows if it was a wiring issue? Who knows if it was a vandal, if somebody was smoking in the car, brakes overheated. I don't know. Like,
wow, these carbon ceramics actually still look good.
Yeah, who knows? We'll definitely post an update video when an investigation's concluded, but then again, what are you gonna investigate? There's nothing here. Like, what's left? Oh, this is so sad. Well, obviously it started in the front because the rear is the only thing left. This is so sad. We did all these modifications and upgrades and servicing to the car. The beautiful Anoza Tech wrap. So much engine work and servicing. We did the brakes on it. Like, so much went into this car for it now to just be darn near a pile of ash. Like the worst case scenario, just about.
I guess it started on the front right side because that's the tire we're missing.
It's a good observation. That tire and those are still there, so probably the most heat was right here. Oh wait, unless that's just melted. Is that a hole in the intake?
It's just melted.
Okay, it's just melted. You know, on our Maserati, when it shot the rod out the block, oil poured out and it caught on fire. Thank goodness it put itself out. You know, I don't know if that's the case on this one too. Probably unlikely. Again, this thing was no accidents, no issues, never gave us any trouble. And it was just a rock solid car. Was, yeah, all this is past tense because this thing is done for. Absolutely toast. Well, if we buy a salvage FF that needs a rear end and brake rotors, maybe we have that. That's about the only good part left. The rear brakes the stock mufflers, which aren't worth anything, and the rear taillight, and these two grills. Knowing Ferrari, these are probably like 600 bucks a piece. So what, about 3,000 bucks of value left on this car? Well, the center caps, I'm not sure about the rear transmission. What do you guys think? Comment down below what the remaining value of this car is. Curious what you guys think, because if it comes to the point of an insurance buyback where they offer the car to us to keep, you know, at what point would we buy it? Comment down below what you think this car is worth, and then we know what to pay up to on insurance if it comes to that point. But it's gonna be a mess. Claims are never fun.
But how do we even transport this thing?
That's a good point. I don't even know how you get it out of here. Can't even get a forklift under it, I guess, unless you really dig into the gravel. You're right, definitely more fire damage over there.
Well, at least this wasn't some like 1,000 mile example that was just not enjoyed enough. We certainly on the bright side, we did get some good use out of it. More well known than most Ferrari FFs.
Oh yeah, you guys remember this when we bought it on the channel? These videos were popping off. This was a hot series. Everybody wanted to see what used Ferrari FF life was like, and honestly, it was a good life until it met a very, very sad demise. We'll walk around it for a few more minutes here, and then we'll talk about how this happened, as the title probably suggests. Ever heard of that app called Turo? Yeah, let's talk about that. Oh, we have a slightly crispy grill, starting the bid at $100. Comment down below, what are you willing to pay? We should actually do a giveaway. We should pick a random comment for a piece of the burnt Ferrari, like the Ferrari horse. It'll take you 5 seconds, tap that like button and drop a comment down below, and you're automatically entered for a piece, a cool piece. We'll pick off something cool, obviously that insurance lets us take off, and then we'll mail it to you. We'll pick a random winner and we'll announce it on the next update video, whatever that may be. Does the door still work? Nope, look, it's like melted. So we haven't broken the sad news to any of our friends yet, so I figured I might as well FaceTime them on video so you can see their genuine reactions. They're gonna be devastated as well because they enjoyed this car, they rode in it, they saw the modifications go down, like they were with us for the past year and a half with this car, so let's break the sad news to them.
Oh man, that's depressing. Wait, what? I hope that's not your FF.
It is.
No. What? Don't mess with me right now, Jeffrey.
All right, you guys know Kieran. Oh man, he really liked this car.
Yo. Wait, that's not yours, is it?
It is.
Oh, bro, what happened?
Yeah, what happened is right.
Holy.
I'll give you a smoking deal.
Yo, bro, yo, hang on. You cannot just show me this without telling me the context. Why is it in front of a chain link fence? Like,
it's at the salvage yard thing, the tow yard that picked it up off the highway earlier.
Wait, who did you just find out about this?
Yeah.
Oh my god. So renter or what?
Yep. Turo about to have a big claim. Next up, he literally says this is his favorite car in the garage.
Oh god.
Hey, wipe that smile off your face.
Oh. What is that?
Your favorite car?
No.
Ferrari.
No. Remember this car, Abe? How? Was it a renter?
Yes.
Burnt to a crisp.
Yep.
Wait, is that the one that went to
The stars.
No, who did that? Jeffrey, do you know what happened?
No, not yet.
If metal can't survive this, I'm sure fuel.
Is this going on a vlog? What? That's not yours, is it? I don't believe it. No way.
Yes way.
Renter?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello.
What's up?
Ready for the surprise?
I'm ready.
Wait, what? Oh, is that your guys' FF? No.
You thought we were buying it.
Oh.
Missed it. You could have been part of the video. All right, we'll still get you in the video. Send him that one, that one.
No way. What happened?
Renter.
Is he okay? Is he alive?
Yep. Car's not alive anymore though.
Bro! When did this happen?
Sorry, you guys crying yet? I just can't believe this. It feels like some nightmare that's come to life and now I'm in the middle of it. Comment down below if this has ever happened to you, if you've experienced a total loss due to a fire. We made it part of the family. It was a staple on JR Garage. You all really like this car and now it's gone. But anyway, you guys want to hear the story? of who is driving it and what the heck happened. As you guys know, we've mentioned it in past videos, but we have dozens and dozens and dozens of cars. You guys know that. We can't drive all of them all the time. It'd be pointless to just let them sit there and be driven like once a month. So occasionally, for the clean title, you know, nothing wrong with them cars that are automatics, easy to drive, we'll put them up on Turo to make a little side money. Like, why not? Primarily the electric cars, because those are the best rental cars. People love experiencing what EVs are all about. So those are probably our most popular rental cars, but occasionally we'll put up like the Rolls Royce. That rents really well for weddings. And then this Ferrari FF we put up because it's dual clutch, it's easy to drive, it's 4 seats, it's all-wheel drive. We had some great luck renting it out, made some really good money with it, and had 0 issues. But now, that all came crashing down. This is our first big loss claim on Turo. Again, it's an app that protects you in these situations because they have an insurance policy. If you just gave your buddy the keys and he threw you a few $100 to rent your car, and it gets in a crash, you're screwed. You are liable for everything that happens next. Even though they're driving, you're not the one driving. People don't understand that. By giving somebody the keys, even to borrow a car, you're taking a really big risk. So we specifically rent the cars through Turo because they have that insurance policy. It's all legit. You're covered if something happens, right? Well, that's about to be put to the test because this is gonna be quite a big claim that we're submitting to Turo. I hope it all works. We'll keep you guys posted. Comment down below if you want to see future videos talking about an update on the claim or how much they paid out, you know, that kind of stuff. Or if there were any issues or hardship along the way, we'd be happy to share all that with you. So comment down below if you want to see the video. If you don't care to see it, we'll just update it on like Instagram and that's that. But I think it's an interesting situation because a lot of people are turning to Turo as a little way to make some side money. We can make endless videos talking about Turo. Christian knows the platform really, really well. Overall, you gotta be sure to dot your I's and cross your T's and do everything right if you want to open up a claim or be covered for damages. But this one's pretty cut and dry. We did everything right, so it should go smoothly, but again, with this size of a claim, it might take months and months and months, so I'm not sure what we're gonna get ourselves into. Comment down below if you guys have any experience with Turo claims, and I can already feel you guys typing away in the comments saying, are you kidding me? Why would you ever rent your car? Like, that's the stupidest idea ever. And yeah, you might be right, especially after today. I'm kind of scratching my head going, really, was it worth the little bit of money to now be without one of our favorite cars ever? But as you guys know, at the end of the day, we're serial entrepreneurs. We know the value of a dollar. We really seek to increase our wealth, not just spend it and have our money sit in a garage. So in theory, it does make sense to occasionally rent some of the cars. Again, we're just talking a few of them. You can't go renting our twin turbo Lamborghini. We don't do any of that.
So obviously this really complicated our day yesterday. I received a phone call first from the renter immediately, so that was great. And he said, your car's on fire. And I was like, what? Call 911. And he's like, yeah, I did. And don't know what to do. And then I get a call from the fire marshal district and have to answer some questions about, hey, we think this might be your car. It's kind of unrecognizable, but can you tell us the VIN number? Luckily, everybody is okay, and cars are replaceable. That certainly hit home during this whole thing. Not to, you know, get too in love and attached to any car or any tangible object, as it can pretty easily go away.
Right. It is what it is. Super sad video for you guys today. I'm sure you were not expecting this. You probably really wished that it was clickbait. This is the one time you wish we were lying, but unfortunately, absolutely not. There you guys go. You made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching until the end. We'll see you in the comment section down below. Boy, is it gonna be juicy. So if you want to win a piece of our Ferrari FF, then be sure to comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. A much more happier video, hopefully, to come.